Okay. What's going on, guys? It's Jesse here, and today we're gonna be fishing a new technique. Not really a new technique, it's more of a new technique to me, but I just never fished it, and it's pretty good. So making it real hard to catch them. Nice. Okay, finally took it. Cannot resist the floating worm. Whew. Little guy. Not too bad. Let's let him back in. Floating worm, floating worm. Oh, how I love my floating worm. Get up. Ugh. Oh my gosh, no way. He swallowed it. Yo. No. Buddy. Oh my gosh, he just... Oh, he bit my worm in half. Okay, guys, floating worm might be the move. But I need you to, like, chill out so I can get the hook out of you, buddy. Guys, he just took it. I went to move and he just had it. Dang, he bit my worm in half. No! Guess worst case scenario, it could be like a Senko, or not a Senko. It could be like a Ned rig. Oh my gosh. Y'all trying to jump me or something? Y'all out here trying to jump me, huh? No, don't shake your head, no. You definitely wanted to come out here and jump me. Look at you guys.
Next week, Monday to Friday?
I don't know yet. It might be a few weeks. But... Oh, I watched him eat it.
That's a nice one too.
I barely have him hooked though.
That's a nice one, JJ.
I watched him come out. I just watched him eat it.
That is so cool right there.
I hope that camera caught it.
Fish on. He was out there, JJ, he was out there hitting those shad. I got him from the gill though, but that's how good these hooks are. That little bomber, I got him again. I caught him twice. Does that count, JJ? Oh. Come on, guys. Let's go. All right. I think they're out there.
Got one on the pink worm. Woo! Okay. Just letting it fall. He's a little fighter though. It's still a nice one. Oh, he ripped my worm though. Come on, buddy.
Got a little one on the new hooks, the swivel hooks. He's a dinker. There it is. Oh, but look at that hook set, JJ. You gotta see his hook set. Fish on. I was ready to go to a suspending bait. Ooh. Look at, see, JJ, throw it right there. Throw it right there real quick. There, right there, how you get around. See it right there. Throw it right there. There. Oh, JJ, you.
I know. I thought he was.
You threw it away from. There you go. He's coming back. He's coming back.
I thought he was gonna be.
He's
right
coming
there
back.
for it.
He's coming back for it. Jiggle a little bit. Pick it up again. Pick it up again. No, pick it up. Throw it again. Right over there. He's right there still. Right there to the right. Right there. Right there. Right there. Oh my goodness.
That was amazing. Get him in. Get him in. Get him in. Oh, that's a cat. That's a nice one. That's a nice one.
Look at that. Barely got him. Look at this.
Oh my god! But look at how abused that. That guy's been caught a few times.
It's boned.
I have pliers if you're gonna need them.
I'm trying to get it fast. I know these guys are they're pretty worn out, you know?
Yeah. Look at that lip.
Oh, he's been beat up.
Someone pulled a little too hard.
Yeah. That's a nice one though. Oh man, these fish are just wanting this worm right here. I knew he hit it on the fall. He hit it on the fall, and then I had to bring him back in. This is the one that was hanging around, JJ. Oh man, talk about having a good time right here. Crystal Gardens, right, JJ? I won't forget it. I won't forget it. Another hook set right down the middle.
There you go. Oh man, they're just taking it, huh?
Yeah, they're liking this right here. It didn't even penetrate all the way through. It could have got off. Okay, look at JJ. Another one. Look at, he's being caught. 1, 2. They're just very aggressive right now. I think there's right now they're feeding.
Not getting no pulse. Hook set. Whew. Little guy just chomped it. Love the June bug. I needed that. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for biting. Yep. June bug. At the bank? Oh, yeah.
Man, just hit something that's jumped big over there.
That means they're feeding. It's feeding frenzy number 2. Shoot. I'm definitely gonna get stopped and get me some food. Just have a bunch of electrolytes. Yeah. I drank 2 electrolytes and 2 Gatorades. There's a lot. I mean, there's like a Chipotle. It's pretty cool. There's a Chipotle that's a little bit down the road.
Right here?
Yeah, I think it's in the same lot as the Sportsman's, I think, or maybe a little bit farther down.
I used to walk the park when I was fishing. It was hot. Walk the park and just try to catch. I'd get all the hooks and what I could use because I thought I would use.
Yeah.
Oh, recycle, you know.
Watch, they're probably over here. That guy was trying to catch him. Watch this. It's probably a bass hanging around right here. Oh! Yes! Watch them eat it! Watch them eat it, they're hungry! Yo, you wanna check the hook set though? Dad. Well, cause I threw it at him and I thought he was gonna swim away, and he turns and he looks at it and I saw him, so cool. You could see him open their mouth.
He didn't see you. Oh, that's a good hook right there.
That's disgusting, huh?
He didn't see you. And he's always been hanging around over there.
Yeah, I was trying to catch him all day.
Yeah, he was there. He went on mine for a little bit too. And he's flying backwards. That's the one. He was on this. I think he's right.
There was another one with him too.
Look at that. I think he's probably scared though.
No, he swam off before I caught that one.
Oh, did he?
So if he comes back, I'll jump him again. All right, guys, we're currently not at Crystal Gardens. We're actually at a Chipotle. We're gonna get our grub down. But this will be the end of the video. What do you like to say about Crystal Gardens?
It was a fire today. You hooked up.
All right, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to ring that bell for further notifications because I do post every Monday and Thursday. Without further ado, guys, see you in the next one.